been showing up dead when I've been on the charger for the longest. But I don't know what you guys have seen what I did so far, but I basically got a lot of stuff up so far. Her room was like a total mess, and I'm gonna have to get somebody to come and clean it, her carpet, because she got slime everywhere, like everywhere. So I'm trying to get rid of a lot of things that she do not play with and put, you know, get her bed and stuff situated. So you guys stay tuned, watch me finish cleaning her room. I really don't have nowhere to put y'all but up on top of her dresser. Hopefully you guys can see everything what I'm doing so far. But now I'm just going to get her clothes situated. I hope you guys can see. But I'm about to tackle all these clothes right here, so. What's up, my stylish pearls? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And you guys already saw earlier, I'm gonna come in here, y'all can see me and hear me, but this is the day after Christmas, and I was showing you guys earlier where I was cleaning Mariah's room, trying to clean it up, but my camera, my big camera, was acting up. I really think it's time for a new one for me to be able to do content videos for you guys. But on that, I was showing you guys a little bit of me cleaning her room and stuff. So I'm about to, I ain't really do much. I had just put her perfume she got for Christmas and her nail stuff in there too, in this little box, along with her remover she got, and also her y'all don't mind the rug, she got slime everywhere. Actually I bought this stuff to put on the floor. If you guys know anything that I can put on the floor, y'all, she got my house slime crazy. But got her unicorn trash can, and yeah, this is her blanket that she got for Christmas also. And yeah, this is her comforter set. She loves unicorn, but she also loves other stuff too. But these are her little slippers, and she got her little stuff hanging up. And she put her little things on the wall. She put her little old school picture too right there. But I'm about to show her her comforter set on the bed and stuff and get her reaction. So she haven't saw anything yet since I like got everything, y'all. It was like a hassle up in here. I couldn't even walk in her closet at first. But yeah, let me go get y'all slime everywhere. But let me get her. Mariah, come on, you ready?
No, he's my lifeline to cool. What do I do?
You ready to see you? You ready?
You need to relax.
You ready?
Just I'm sure things are
Open your eyes.
isn't that what you guys do?
You like?
What are you doing?
You gotta put your stuff on your dresser. You got your trash can. And what's your trash can? Guess what that is? Yep. So do you?
pills this came with?
Just that one. Do you like it?
You did put that like you always, so you always.
Yeah, the blanket. It's cute. I think it's girly, just like you. And I hung up the rest of your things right there behind you.
Yeah, that's what I saw. Oh, I just saw that right there.
Right.
Couldn't put my other ones like right here, up here. Couldn't stand in my bed and put my other ones up there.
No, it's so pretty.
Cause you didn't want to break it. Mommy, hold me about the phone.
And I put all your teddy bears under here.
Maybe all.
All but what's on your bed. I put everything. Oh, like she got so many teddy bears under there.
Can you give me a hug and then Jesse jump? Ooh.
Y'all, she always trying to jump on me. We're almost the same size. Almost.
And then I'm gonna be the same age.
How you gonna sleep?
I don't know how I am sleep.
Let me see how you sleep.
I don't know.
Get on your bed. Let's take a cute picture. Cute.